Welcome student. Today I am going to teach you problems on properties of inverse trigonometric functions. In last lecture we learned about properties of inverse trigonometric function and learned the properties of inverse trigonometric function. Today we take some example related to examination point of view. First example, show that sin inverse 2x into root of x square minus 1 minus x square 1 minus x square equal to 2 sin inverse x 2 sin inverse x if minus 1 by root 2 is less than or equal to x and less than or equal to 1 upon under root of. In this type of example, first let it is given that sin inverse 2x into under root of 1 minus x square, and we have to prove that 2 times sin inverse x. So let put x equal to sin theta, then we get theta equal to sin inverse x. Okay. Next, therefore sin inverse 2x into under root of 1 minus x square, where to put x equal to sin theta, then we get sin inverse 2 x means sin theta into under root of 1 minus x square. X square means sin square theta. Sin square theta. So we get sin inverse 2 sin theta, and we know that 1 minus sin square theta, that is equal to cos square theta. Therefore we get root of cos square theta. Therefore we get sin inverse 2 sin theta and root of cos square theta, that is equal to we get cos theta. Again we get sin inverse. Now we know that the formula of 2 sin theta into cos theta, that is equal to sin of 2 theta. Sin of 2 theta, that is equal to 2 times sin theta into cos theta. Okay. Again we know that sin inverse of sin theta is equal to we get theta. So again by using that property sin inverse of sin theta equal to theta, then we get sin inverse of sin 2 theta, that means we get 2 theta. Therefore again replace theta by sin inverse x. Hence we get sin inverse 2x into under root of 1 minus x square is equal to 2 sin inverse x. Hence 2. Okay. Now again we solve again another one example. Show that again same example, sin inverse 2x into under root of 1 minus x square, that is equal to 2 cos inverse x, equal to 2 cos inverse x. In this example, in first example we proved 2 sin inverse x, and in second one 2 cos inverse x. So again here let put x equal to, in first example we put sin theta because we want sin inverse x. In second example we want 2 cos inverse x, so we have to put x equal to cos theta, implies we get theta equal to cos inverse x. Okay, again sin inverse 2x into under root of 1 minus x square, that is equal to, we get sin inverse 2, x means cos theta. Okay, again under root of 1 minus x square, again put 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, again we get sin inverse 2 cos theta. Again we know that 1 minus cos square theta, that is equal to, here 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta. Here we get 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin theta. Again we get same formula, 2 sin theta into cos theta, 2 sin theta into cos theta, that means sin 2 theta. Again we get sin 2 theta. Again by property, sin inverse of sin theta, that is equal to theta. So we get sin inverse of sin 2 theta, we get 2 theta. Therefore 2, and again replace theta by cos inverse x. Okay, hence 2. Dear student, if you learn that properties of inverse trigonometric function, then you can easily solve such type of example. Now we take another example again. Show that, example number 3, show that tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 2 by 11, that is equal to tan inverse 3 by 4, tan inverse 3 by 4. Again, in last lecture we learned the properties of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, that is equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. So we use that property here, then we get let, or we know that which property, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Okay, then we get tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. So, correct? So tan inverse as it is, here x means 1 by 2 and y means 2 by 11. Okay, upon 1 minus, again x means 1 by 2 and y means 2 by 11. So now we get tan inverse 11 plus 11, 2 to the 4, 11 plus 4, 15 by 22, correct? 11 to the 22 upon, here again 11 to the 22, 22 1 is 22, 22 minus 2, 20 upon 11 to the 22. Here 20 to 22 extension. We get tan inverse 15 by 20. Again we get tan inverse of 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 5 4s are. Hence we get tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 2 by 11, that is tan inverse 3 by 4. Hence we get tan hence 2. Okay. Again, next one. Example number 4. Find the value of cot inverse one upon under root of x square minus 1. Root of x square minus 1. So in this example we get cot inverse 1 upon under root of x square minus 1. But we know that by property cot inverse of cot theta, that is equal to theta. So for that function we put here, let x equal to, if we put here sec theta, then we get sec square theta minus 1, then we get tan square theta. Okay, again tan square theta, root of tan square theta means tan theta. So we get 1 upon tan theta. 1 upon tan means again cot. So we make the function as cot inverse of cot. So we have to put here x equal to sec theta, implies we get theta equal to sec inverse of x. Okay, so cot inverse of 1 upon under root of x square minus 1 is equal to cot inverse of 1 upon under root of put x, that is equal to sec theta. Therefore we get sec square theta minus 1. Okay, again we know that sec square theta minus 1 that is equal to tan square theta. Again put that value in here. Cot inverse of 1 upon root of tan square theta. Again we get 1 upon again root of tan square. Okay, we get only tan theta, and again we know that 1 upon tan theta that is equal to cot theta. Therefore cot inverse of cot theta. Okay, cot inverse of cot theta, then we get only theta. So again replace theta by sec inverse of x. Okay, we get our last answer, that means cot inverse of 1 upon under root of x square minus 1 that is equal to sec inverse of x. Okay, so by using that method or your logic or some properties, if you learn, then you have to solve that type of example easily. Again, next one, find the values of next example. Example number 5. Find the values of cos of sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x. Sec inverse x, cosec inverse x when mod x is greater than or equal to Again, it is very simple example. We know that the 5 properties in which sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is one of the most important property. That means sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x, and sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x. These 3 properties that is equal to pi by 2. So let cos of sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x that is equal to cos of pi by 2. Why? Because sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x that is equal to 90 degree by property. Okay, so therefore we get cos 90 that is equal to 0. Again, next one, find the values of, again same example number 6, find the values of cot of tan inverse x plus cot inverse A. Okay. Again, here same property, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x that is equal to pi by 2. Again we get cot of this term that is equal to pi by 2. Cot pi by 2, again pi by 2, cot pi by 2 that is equal to again 0. Okay. Again next one, find the value of sine inverse. Example number 7. Find the value of sine inverse sine 2 pi by 3. Sine 2 pi by 3. Again, if you know the property sin inverse of sin x that is equal to x, but when x belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Okay, here we can't write sin of sin 2 pi by 3 that is equal to only 2 pi by 3. This is wrong, because by property the sine inverse function having range minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, and 2 pi by 3 does not belong to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Okay, so we have to write here sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 3. Okay, here we have to write that is equal to sine inverse of sine pi minus 2 pi by 3, because sine inverse of sin x that is equal to x if x belongs to close interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, but 2 pi by 3 does not belong to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Okay, so we have to write that type. Therefore we get sine inverse of sine pi minus 2 by 3, because 2 pi by 3 lies in third quadrant. Okay, so sine inverse of 3 pi minus 2 pi, that is we get pi by 3. So sine of pi by 3, sine of pi by Now here pi by 3 belongs to minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Okay. So here we have to write pi by 3. Therefore the values of sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 3, that is equal to pi by 3. Okay. This type of example is very very important, because in MCQ type or 1 marks, such type of example every year asked in exam. Okay. Thank you.